why Mrs. Diskaya is not here.
Heart condition din po siya at saka po bali nagpadala po siya ng letter po dito. Hindi ko lang po nabasa kung ano yung iba pang content.
For the record, and for the information of everybody, sumulat po si Mrs. Diskaya, the Honorable Chairperson, so forth and so on. Subject, inability to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and so forth and so on. Tapos, relative to the letter invitation dated September 15, issued by your good office, which I received via electronic mail today, September 17, at 5:41 p.m., I deeply regret to inform you that I will be unable to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations, fourth public hearing scheduled for September 18 at 9 a.m. Or 9 in the morning. Regrettably, I have an important meeting with my employees on the day of the hearing to explain the problem that the company is facing now and the effects this has on them. This meeting was already scheduled before I received the Honorable Committee's invitation this late afternoon, and some of my employees will be coming from various places. Thus, I can no longer cancel the meeting set for tomorrow. As such, I'm sincerely sorry that I will be unable to attend the committee hearing. I fully understand the importance of the committee's work and the seriousness of the matter at hand. I hope that my absence shall in no way be construed as a reflection of my respect for the committee and its mission. I humbly request the committee's understanding and patience in this matter. Thank you very much for your consideration. Very truly yours, signed, Cesara Rowena C. Diskaya.
Iba yung sinasabi mismo na misis mo eh. Di ba kayo nag-usap? Sana nag-usap muna kayong dalawa. Ano bang palusot ang gagawin natin, sweetheart or darling?
Mr. Chair.
You lie.